Good morning children. Let us start learning about international system. We learned in the previous video how to read and write the Indian system. Today we learn how to read and write the international system. So 1, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 9. This is a given number. Now we need to read and write using the international system. Let us first place in the place value chart. So 1, 9, 2, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1. After that, we need to divide this number according to the periods. First period considered as ones, tens, hundreds. So, period completed, first period. Second period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, completed second period. Third period, millions and 10 millions. So, this is a comma we have placed according to the periods. Now we read this number as 13 is a number, third period, and the name of the period is million. 13 million 215. This is the second period number. 215,000 name of the period. 629. This is a ones period. So we write the number as 13 million 215,629. This is called writing in an international system. Next, coming to comparison of numbers. We know the numbers. Counting numbers start from 1. It's an infinity. We cannot count. Here, the coins are placed. Let us see the green color coins 3 and the purple color is 8. So in these two colors, which one is larger and smaller? Obviously, the purple is more than the green color. So 8 is greater than 3. For comparing the numbers, we use three symbols: greater than, less than and equal to. So these are the three symbols we use to denote the comparing the numbers. So first, we took two numbers here. We are comparing the large numbers. We took the two numbers. Here this is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. When you are comparing the two numbers with the different digits, the more number of digits, a number which has more number of digits is greater than the numbers which has less number of digits. Here we have 5, here we have 4. So therefore, 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. Second one. Now let us take the two numbers having the same number of digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us compare these two. 23,64,936. Here 23,95,129. So now we have to compare from the left. First we have to start from the lakhs period, 10 lakhs. That is first digit is 2 and here also is 2. Both are equal. The next place was lakhs. So now here and here also in this number lakhs, compare. Both number have the same digit 3. value is the same. So next pass on to the next 10,000th place. Here is 6 and here is 9. We have a difference of the numbers. So in these two numbers, when you compare, 9 is greater than 6. Therefore, 23,095 lakhs, 23,95,129 is greater than 23,64,936. Let us compare the group of numbers and we arrange them from the smallest to the largest. That is called right in ascending order. Ascending order is equal to, from these four given numbers, we have to start writing from the smallest to the largest. Here when you check, all the four numbers have the same number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. All the numbers have same number of digits. So let us check the second period value, 76, 73, 75 and 71. So from among these four, 71,873 is the smallest. 71,873 is the smallest, so write the less than symbol. And next smallest from among these three is 73,946. Next smallest 75,640. And the next one is 76,140. We have been arranged all the four given numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. The second one is right in descending order. 23,196, 21,235, 24,640, 25,336. So now descending order. Now from the four numbers, all the numbers have the same number of digits. So let us check again the second period, 23, 21, 24, 25. From among the four, 25 is the largest. So take 25,336. Is the greatest, so write the greatest greater than symbol. And the next highest is 24,640. And the next highest is 23,196. And next highest is 21,235. So this is called descending order, arranging from the largest to the smallest. Children, let us do one activity. Topic is comparison of large numbers. Objective to form and compare the large numbers using the flashcard. Method. Students use a flashcard to form the large numbers and compare them. Now let us take the flashcards. Now we divide the classroom in a group wise. Group 1, 5 children collect the flashcards. Group B, collect another 5 cards. Now the group C forms a largest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number, and group D writes the ascending order and descending order. This is an activity to be done by yourself by using the flashcard. Form the 5-digit largest number and 5-digit smallest number.